Okay, right now,
Daddy, bag आ गई।
Vicky, just count how many people in a hatchback you have.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, first of all, we start our tour from this building. Actually, this building is the grave of Allama Iqbal. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was our national.
His brain, I'll explain it later, but they're having extra VVIP.
Wow. Extra VIP.
You know how we are. This is how we do it. You know, with the
This
VVIPs,
is the
motherfuckers.
beginning of Pakistan.
Yes. Yes,
Right
man. Look
here.
at it. Yeah, look, there's journals there. Gandhi's okay.
Great grandfather of the person who constructed this one mosque. The whole fort that's about 400 years old. There is the Sikh Gurdwara over there.
400 years old or something.
400 years old.
Okay. Badishahi Mosque. King Mosque or Royal Mosque. This mosque constructed by 6th great Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir. His father constructed the Taj Mahal in India, named Shah Jahan. Father constructed the Taj Mahal and sons constructed this one mosque. Great grandfather constructed the Lahore Fort. So this mosque 350 years old.
Wow.
Capacity of this mosque is 100,000.
100,000 people can fit in
This is a functional mosque. 5-time regular prayer we offer here. 3 biggest occasions during the month of Ramadan. Last Friday prayer. Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha. This was full with the people. So here we'll admit mats, carpets, rugs there. This is one of the hottest stone. It's impossible to walk here barefooted.
Really? Why?
That's why we are wearing the foot cover. And for the other people, we lay the carpet over there. Another carpet.
It's the hottest stone here.
Why is that? Is it a type of stone?
This stone they brought from India, Jaipur, Rajasthan. That's nowadays known as Pink City. White marble on the domes and on the fountains. That's similar to the Taj Mahal. They also brought from India from Makarana division. And stone of a main chamber available in Pakistan and Attock near Islamabad. This is fountain. In old time, this fountain used for ablution purpose, wuzu purpose, washing of our hand and wash before prayer.
Is it okay?
And at that time they fetched water by canvas bag, by leather bags, by must. And nowadays we have 2 large ablution chamber in your backside, right and left.
Wuzu
Very
areas
big
at the
ablution
back.
chamber. Nowadays we have proper pipeline system. Nowadays we have proper tap system. But in old time there was no pipeline system. Of the upper portion in all time used for funeral prayer, namaz-e-janaza. And the funeral prayer of our great poet Allama Iqbal, they offer here in 1938. You can see the hooks on the tent for the tent system. Yeah. Pakistani stone.
Pakistani stone. It's pretty.
And here you can see the colossus. They brought from this stone from riverside, Attock River, Attock near Islamabad. And here you can see the colossus. Fish.
Wow.
It's very good.
That's amazing.
Come on. Right
So
now we are
beautiful.
in main chamber. Area. 5-time regular prayer we offer here. Nowadays 3 personalities are performing their duties in this mosque.
Wow.
We are going to adjust. Come on.
Have a shoot here as well.
What is?
Stand here. Right now, I want to show you ecosystem, sound system. That's about 350 years ago. An imam used this system at that time. So for that, sir, I request you please go there, stand really close to the corner and face toward the corner. And ma'am, you please stand over here. Wait a minute. Sir, right corner. सर कॉर्नर के करीब हो जाए, कॉर्नर के करीब हो जाए। सर मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आपको? बिल्कुल। आप सर बात करेंगे मैम से और ये आपकी आवाज़ क्लियर है।
Have to talk to him.
Wow.
Please stand here and say some words to sir.
Hello, husband. Assalamu alaikum. That's insane. Can you hear me? It sounds like you're right beside me. Wow. That is so cool. Genius. It must follow along here or something. The voice.
Yeah, you come on. Okay.
Gorge.
Okay, so they constructed this mosque by method. You, ma'am, please stand there, back with the wall. So when I say some words in a whispering style, in a gossip style, you will feel my voice just like a vibration, just like a Wi-Fi, just like a resonance. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Hi.
This is crazy, right? 350 years ago.
Make it.
Okay, right now, very close to mosque, you can see behind the pillar, there is a white building. It's not the part of the mosque. There is a Sikh Gurdwara, Singh Gurdwara. There's a functional Gurdwara over there. And Sikh people on daily basis perform their religious ceremony over here, over there. In Lahore Fort, there is a Hindu temple. That's a functional temple. And then over there, you can see there is a yellow color building. Behind that building, there is the church. There's a Catholic church. There's a functional church. You can see church is there for the Christians. Temple is there for the Hindus. Gurdwara is there for the Sikh people, and mosque is here. So four religions are living in this locality with love, with respect, with regards. It's a live example of interfaith harmony in Pakistan. जिन्हें लॉर्ली देखियो जमिया
You get what that means? The one who is not born, who have never see the Lahore.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
considered as that he never born.
Oh, okay, I get it. That's very beautiful.
Who hasn't seen Lahore, he has not even born yet. Now you're finally born. That's a very famous restaurant there.
Which
I'll
one?
take you there for dinner one day.
The yellow
At
one.
night. Yeah.
Beautiful view, I'm sure.
It's called Haveli.
These towers are not straight.
They're not
They
straight
are-
towers.
Oh,
They
Yeah.
are slightly tilted towards outside.
that's true. I can't see anything.
They are slightly tilted towards outside.
Any glasses? I can't tell.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, look over there. They are slightly tilted towards there, outside.
Wow.
Is it in the
I believe you. I believe you.
There's a reason for it.
Okay.
Actually, in case of earthquake, hurricane storms, these pillars will not fall inside, always fall outside.
wow.
For the safety purpose. Either the people for the prayer over here, either the visit, they remain safe. For the safety purpose, they construct the tower in such style. Okay.
Interesting.
So there is a place where you can see the reason. There's another reason for this towers to be on the like diagonal or something.
Yeah.
There's a place where you can see his father's. I think the person who makes this, his father's grave. From there, this place will look straight.
Oh.
That's why they make it diagonal. Otherwise, it would have been like.
But it's,
You all will stand here, just like this one slide. I will go there. There I speak. And you will listen my voice very clear up to here. And you please stand. So, beta, आप वहाँ पे
Sweat balls. Oh, I can hear him.
Now, right now I want to show you the ceiling is also. Can you hear me?
Oh wow, back here.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
You are feeling his voice over there.
See, you can hear me without straight voice. You can hear me from the ceiling. You're crazy, isn't it?
I can hear you back in my head.
Same.
You can hear me in the back of your head?
Yeah. I won't know that you're standing in front of me.
No. That's amazing. I would love to.
This is the whole Quran.
This is not. This is only one chapter, one para, one juz. So there are 30 chapters. 14 chapters this side, 14 next side, 2 in front. Let's make a complete Quran Majid. And all the work is handmade embroidery. Here is 95% silver, 5% gold on a chenille velvet cloth. And one person completed all this work in 10 years. He started all this work in 1966 and completed in 1976. In 1979, General Ziaul Haq, he was the president of Pakistan. When he came into know that there is a guy in Lahore wrote a Quran Majid with hand, with silver and gold, he came in Lahore. That's why he inaugurated all the works. And he gifted 2 frames for this mosque. One is here, Allah Jalla Shanu, picture of Mecca. One is there, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, picture of Medina. And he inaugurated all the work. So here are 30 chapters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14 this side, 14 next side, 25.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And it's a handmade embroidery.
That's
It's
insane.
not a machine writing.
So it must have been really stiff,
Yeah, by
like
stitching.
hard hands, like a lot of muscle.
Actually, muscle.
Yeah, like you have to really like
Of
get
course.
in.
Actually, he was a tailor. He knows the stitching work very well. That's why he has the art.
Yeah.
Art of. Take a breath. Over here. Okay, when you see where this glass in that box, at the top of a candle, we have very small hair. And this hair attributed to our Prophet beard hair. Okay, look the grass. Just kneel down and look the grass. And then at the top of a candle.
The wee small thing, yeah.
Yeah, very small hair.
Wow.
It's the walking stick. And it's the walking stick of our Prophet. There is the turban of our Prophet. It's the overcoat, Juba Mubarak, overcoat of our Prophet. There is a flag that was written by his companion, Prophet companion at that time.
No way.
Yeah.
That's insane.
We have a lot of stuff over here.
What other mirrors you need, huh?
Okay.
Mashallah.
Cloth cover of Mecca. Cloth cover of Medina. Shoes of our Prophet, which we call Nallenepa. Footprint on a stone of our Prophet, peace be upon him.
Muhammad. Wow. No, but like the toes are my fault. The toes are so straight. Wow.
Look, man.
Stone used to put.
Okay. There is a turban of Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain was the grandson of our Prophet.
This is turban.
Okay. Let's start with Imam Hassan.
You're not basically allowed to have photos of this.
No way.
Okay, Quran Majid. In 1965 war between India and Pakistan, one of our truck loaded with guns entered in India. There was 2 Quran Majid in the truck. Truck was totally damaged, but 2 Quran Majid remained safe and sound. One kept the Hindu soldier and other returned to Pakistan army and said, "This is a true book, it could not be destroyed." And here you can see the teeth of Hazrat Khwaja Awais Karni. Awais Karni was one of the lover of our history. Maybe this one, maybe. And here we have 2 teeth of Hazrat Khwaja Awais Karni Rasulullah Ta'ala.
It's a beautiful story.
One of the companion.
क्योंकि मेरा कौन सा उनका दान कौन सा निकला है?
उन्होंने तमाम दान तोड़े. That's why God created banana. That's why God created.
Amazing sandwiches, and now I can get the cocoa beans. Of course, my one's extra tight.
Kitchen.
Were prepared over there. Sir, यहाँ पे उठाएं.
Oh, cool doors.
This is Brazil.
Am I allowed to go in? Bro.
This building into the hospital.
Hospital. It's a hospital, right?
WG war gun. 18th century. 24. You know your prince. You can see the crown over here.
British crown.
We are British Raj, British rule over here. So 3 parties ruled over here: Mughal, Sikh, and British.
The king used to sit there, and normal people used to come here. If they have any problem or whatever, they come here and then
So it's like a full house inside.
they're dressing up people. They used to do this.
Right now we are walking in the building.
बाद बामुनाज़ा होशियार शाही मेहमान रानी महारानी शहजादी और शहजादा क्वीन एंड किंग अली तशरीफ ला रहे हैं यहाँ किस मकसद के लिए आए हैं और इनके साथ क्या सलूक किया जाए, छोड़ दिया जाए तो क्या कर दिया जाए?
ये शाही मेहमान है, इन्हें बाइज्जत छोड़ दिया जाए।
बाद बामुनाज़ा होशियार शाही मेहमान रानियां महारानियां शहजादियों और शहजादे क्वीन इमाम तशरीफ ला रही हैं।
Like they made like movies about it as well.
Oh, really?
Bollywood movies, yeah.
Okay, right
Watch
now I
it
want to
that
show you the transgender palace over there.
Transgender palace. Wow.
मान शहजादी मान आगे.
So, this was the palace of the transgender. When British came in power, they turned this building into the fancy guard hanging.
Hanging.
Had to hang people.
Yeah. They're changing.
Okay, go.
No way.
British people. My people.
Bloody British people, huh?
Shut up. I'm British.
So they hung people in this room.
This was
That's the
कहने की बेटा यहाँ पे ट्रांसजेंडर का पैलेस था. जब ब्रिटिश पावर में आए तो वो उन्होंने इसको फांसी गार्ड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और लोगों को यहाँ पे फांसी दे दी.
Jinn?
Jinn, yeah.
Where?
Jinn. There were
Why?
so many jinns go.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's so old.
Old.
Entry point. Now generally public allowed to come here.
Only
For
what?
the special people, that's why you are here.
Oh, only special people are allowed here.
Yeah.
Wow.
ये मान के लिए
Beautiful.
Bhabhi, what you say?
You're my princess and you're so
Oh my
amazing and
God.
beautiful inside.
Thank you.
Max.
Everyone jealous.
Mashallah.
Everyone get jealous.
It's okay.
Yes.
for his love affair. He'll explain to more.
Oh.
Husband name was Shah Jahan, he was the king, and wife name was Mumtaz Begum. She was the queen. So it's they Shah Jahan constructed this building for his beloved, for her beloved. You can see.
Okay.
So he'll explain you what it is, how he even made stars, so she can even have stars in the daytime.
What? No way. Assalamu alaikum.
By Maharaja Ranjit Singh for open court. This building functions as an open court. Ranjit Singh sits over there and resolve the problem of the general people who came from Lahore. Okay, right now we are moving towards the Sheesh Mahal.
Mirror palace. Everything is mirror.
Mirrors. Just for the queen.
Yeah, but I think she died before she even saw it.
Oh, that's a shame.
But it's basically a symbol of love.
Aw.
Basically said to the king to build a building for me that I can even see stars in the daytime.
Wow.
कहा कि मैं बादलों के ऊपर चलूं
And I should walk on the clouds.
और ये बादलाना सोना
That's why they're pale.
400 years ago ये stone ऐसा था कि इसके ऊपर क्लाउड थे.
So 400 years ago, this stone was used to be like it's a cloud.
Oh, it used to be so white.
Yes.
और ये बादलाना स्टाइल देखिए.
So they
और
have
वो बिल्डिंग जो है ना उसमें एक फाउंटेन हो जिसको किया गया और ये सारा जो है ना सीरिया से और इजिप्ट से ये
Syria and Egypt. They brought all of these mirrors
From where?
from Egypt and Syria.
Wow. Wow.
The river Ravi flowed very close to the Lahore port. This was
Oh.
the path of the Lahore port.
Oh, so the river was all
the river
there.
Ravi. This was the path of the river Ravi.
That was used to be a river. I used to tell you, remember? That's how you can see the star in the daytime.
Oh, because the light would reflect off
Light
it.
reflected from the sun.
The sun. Oh, so in the daylight when there's the sun, this is all shining.
Yes, yes.
Oh, we need to come here again when it's shining.
When the sunlight comes, this whole room shines bright like stars.
No way. I want to see that. So beautiful.
बोली कर दी कि हम इसमें ले आए था सुद्धा हो गया उसने रेड हार्ट को निकाल के ये ब्लैक हार्ट लगा दिया.
So the story of these red heart is that when this place was built, it was red heart because that was his love of his life, right?
Yeah.
And then she died while this one was actually getting it built. So he changed it from red to black hearts.
ये देखिए
Look,
ये क्लाउडी स्टोन over here.
look at the cloudy stone.
Wow.
और ये तमाम इसके ना
What's actually?
The queen said, I cannot walk, I don't want to walk. So I only want to ride on the elephants. So make stairs for the elephants.
No
So
way.
they can come. So these are the elephant stairs. Only made
For
for
elephants.
her to come up here to her palace.
Wow.
It's crazy.
That's mental.
जब बादशाह या मक्का का कानवाई आता था सवारी आती थी एलिफेंट पे बैठ के उनके स्टाफ के लोग ट्रांसजेंडर ऊपर खड़े होते थे.
So whenever they used to come, the royal family used to come, all the servants, the transgender used to stand up there.
और फूल की
To watch?
And then used to give them flowers on top of
Oh,
them.
and she was running up the elephants.
Yeah, like the way, you know, when you watch the historical things. And
Yeah.
some kings come, they just throw the
Yeah,
flowers.
yeah, yeah.
That's what they used to do.
Wow. That's
Almost $1 million.
what was?
This building was
These
cost.
gemstones were there. Yeah, jade, you know, neelam, yakut, marjan, precious stones were there.
Special stones.
Walk, princess.
Too long to me.
Princess. Ah, look at my queen, huh? Fuck that queen. I got my queen right here. Come walk towards me now. Wow. Yeah, but you gotta see it.
But this was the open area, open door.
This one
Yeah.
was the open area.
To walk in.
No, this was open.
Yeah.
Here, it was just the flame of like the candles.
Inside the wee holes.
Yeah. And then the water used to come from the top, and then it reflects from there to there, where she was at the mirrors.
सुने अब ये जब फ्लेम उसके फ्लिकर करता था ना तो ऊपर से पानी आता था तो ऐसे से फ्लिकर
Only 10 people in the car. Only 10.
Yahoo!
2 in the mood.
What does Eamon say? Yahoo! That tour we did was so incredible, and it was quite like deep for me as well, because not only was like Pakistan colonized by Britain but also Ireland, so I was just thinking about the time that he was telling me all the history of when it occurred and what date. I was thinking about Ireland and the famine, and it was just like, wow, like Britain was really everywhere, and there's like marks all over, like, you know, dates and the British flag all over Pakistan, like the old Pakistan, where the area where the tour was, and it was so big, there was so much to see, it was incredible. And the boss man was married into Ali's family, so he's family, so he gave us a VIP tour for all of us 10 people, and fed us beautiful Pakistani sandwiches, which are my favorite sandwiches ever, and Coca-Cola, water. Like, it was just next level hospitality and kindness, and they expect nothing back. And they were touring us through the whole place all day long in the scorching heat. It was such an experience, and I can't wait to share it. And also, the man who was giving us the tour, he was so knowledgeable, but he really wanted to emphasize the harmony and respect and love that Lahore had in those times and still has. Like in the mosque, like the 400-year-old mosque, which was beautiful, like at each point at the corner, there was a Catholic church, there was a place for the Sikh people, there was a place for Hindi, like all different religions, like 4 different religions, and it was like kind of a symbol of, you know, everyone's together, everyone's one, harmony, love, respect, and just community, no matter what like religion, race you are, like. And I thought that was so beautiful, and that there's nowhere else in the world that like does that or has that kind of history, or kind of he really wanted to like emphasize that to me, to tell people about this, because he was so proud of his country, and just the love they have for people in general, no matter what religion. I just thought that was obviously beautiful, so beautiful and pure.